Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the higher overlay in CapCut PC. Alright, so go to media and select library and select the black screen at the right and go to sticker and select the pipes. Scroll down until you find the fire sticker. I'm going to select chessboard duration and very size. Sorry. Change the aspect ratio. Alright. So after done, you can export. Click export. Okay, and delete the project. Go to media. Select photos, videos, or images you want to edit, and import task created. So here, the file overlay. Just click open. Alright. Add the track as an overlay. So put on top another clip. Alright. So you can plane for the overlay. So select overlay, select mod of plane. Just click overlay or brighten, screen, darken. Going to select brighten. Just for the opacity. Here we go. Yeah, it's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.